Welcome to PlanZebo app. So this is the first screen where we enter the mobile number for registration. Once it is registered, then we just have to log in with his mobile number and his password at the time which he used at the time of registration. So once that's done, then we move on to the vendor details app, where here he's supposed to enter the nursery name as well as set the location of the current nursery. Once that is done, we move on to the next screen, which is the upload documents, where he's supposed to upload both the front and the back side of the nursery registration document or his Aadhaar document. We've just added Aadhaar for now, but we can add other documents as in based on the requirements, like whatever is required for the nursery verification purpose. So once he uploads both of them, it is sent back to the server side for us to verify and confirm that he's a valid nursery owner. After that, the next step is basically updating his nursery catalog, wherein here he takes the photo of the plants which he sells, and by our plant recognition algorithm, it gives a suggestion of the plants which is similar to the one which he has taken or the exact one. Then he's supposed to choose the one which he exactly has and update the price and the number of units available along with the pot and bag size. After that is done, it gets updated to his nursery catalog. So then he has an accepting orders tag, where he can enable that if the nursery is accepting orders at that particular moment, so that the nearby customers know that this nursery is ready to accept orders. And then for each item he has an option of enabling the stock, whether the stock is present or it's out of stock. After that, he can the customer can also see the nearby nurseries available, and we can also search the nurseries based on the plants. Like if you want to buy a particular plant, say rose, and we can get a list, and once we type it in the search bar, we get a list of all the nurseries selling a particular rose. And here this is his orders tag, where the nursery owner can see the list of all the orders that has been requested from him, and then he can choose to accept or decline the orders. Then we move on to the dashboard. The dashboard here is basically a list of is a graph of his sales and the revenue that he's generated in the past week or a month. And we also have given them a chat option where the nursery owners can chat with the customers or with other nursery owners and basically resolve any queries or any other kind of doubts which they have. And that basically concludes our application. Thank you. Have a nice day.